Is this the vlog life? It's the scrap goddess.
I forgot. Did I ever text you? I got that.
Yes, I went there yesterday. I was going to move to my shop.
Yeah, my bad, dude.
That's all good.
Yeah. Thank you, though.
What's up, scrap goddess and scrap god?
Just looking at the dream, dude.
Oh man, you believe this? You know the dream is real when you run into an ultimate scrap god on the streets. Out there hustling a dollar. You gotta love it. Who's your friend? Who's your friend? Good afternoon, YouTube. This is a rare moment. We're doing a job in the afternoon. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. All while my two sons are learning the trade. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. For today's event, we got some miscellaneous repairs to do at a movie theater. We're hoping it's simple. Culprit, we don't know what's leaking. Hand me a screwdriver, Chuck, with a flat head. You gotta turn it on, right? Hmm? You gotta turn it, flushometer on?
Yeah.
Dark in here. I don't want to fall into it. Oh boy. Man, that's pretty simple. Fire Steve, baby. It comes with like an O-ring.
Good back on it.
Huh?
Hopefully it's not that.
Can't be as simple as tightening. Someone needs to stand on the toilet. Let's get a screwdriver, please. Oh, great. That's really awesome. What not to do with your screwdriver?
You don't wash it?
You just did.
You rinsed it.
There it is. Simple fix.
That was a fun car.
Huh?
That was a fun car.
You gotta do the other toilets too. Thank you. Let's make sure there's nothing else leaking. Man, it looks like someone maybe stood on the toilet or. This is.
You put this,
Yeah,
you did.
it's a wall-hung toilet.
Yeah, remember, it was your first time.
One and only. That's for sure. This will leak. Here it goes. Alright, so that was the leak. Something stupid. What you got for us?
Let's go look at the other toilets.
Huh?
Let's go look at the other toilets.
What do we got? Go check them out. Your toilet's fixed. Just want to let you know.